I'm here with a brawl. Edge Nadder, Champion Catastrophic Quaken, and Barf and Belch. Alright, we're going to go after the Quaken first, then the Edge Nadder, and then Barf and Belch. Saving up all my action bars for Stormcutter's heals. Should be a pretty straightforward fight. I always like it when they spread their attacks out over all my guys. Or when they attack Sleuther. Because I don't care if Sleuther dies. I'm not going to go after the Quaken right now because that would just... in this situation it probably would have been okay. But he's going to get taken out here. In fact, I'm going to go after Barf and Belch because Sleuther, well, because he's weakened, he's not taking out the Nadder. The Nadder's still going to get taken out actually right here. So I looked ahead there just to say, hey, who's going to get to attack me? Can I take them out before they can get me? And yes, I could.